Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to review this beautiful hair serum from the brand L'Oreal, and this is their extraordinary oil serum, and this is for 499 rupees. The quantity you're getting is 100 ml. It comes in a glass bottle like this with a pump dispenser. It's basically oil serum and you can use it in many ways. So today I'm going to tell you in detail how you can use it and how it worked on my hair. And yeah, so this is really a beautiful bottle and I love the color of the bottle. It's like a orangish yellow, and I really like the packaging of the product. You can use it in many ways. I use it like in every way whatever is possible. So let me tell you what the brand claims about it. It says it's for all hair types, and you can use it before shampoo, before drying, before styling, as a finishing touch, and as an overnight treatment. So it says it's good for daily routine. It's perfect for finishing touch or as overnight treatment. And yeah, and also it claims it's non-sticky. It's a non-sticky lightweight serum, and you just need 3 to 4 drops. And yeah, so this is what the brand says about this particular product. And this is for all hair types, even dry hair, oily hair, scalp, and colored hair people can use this serum, and it's a unisex serum. Both men and women can use this product. I've been using this for a while. I really love this product because wherever I use it, it makes my hair soft and smooth and manageable. So how I use it usually is that I use it like in many ways. I use it almost all the ways they have mentioned. I use it as an overnight treatment. I apply all over my hair and leave it overnight and wash it the other morning. Secondly, I use it, sometimes I don't want to apply oil before washing my hair, so I just take few pumps and massage all over my hair, and after half an hour to 1 hour I'll wash my hair. And after taking shower, when my hair is a little damp, I apply a little bit like a normal hair serum, and then blow dry it. And after blow drying it also, if I feel I need more nourishment and more moisture and more hydration, then I apply couple of more drops on take couple of more drops on my palm, and then apply all over my hair. So this is the way I usually use this particular oil serum on my hair on daily basis. And you don't need more than 2 to 3 pumps for your hair, and you don't have to take too much and apply it as oil. You just have to take few pumps. But that is what I do. I don't like to put too much of product on my hair, so I just take 2 to 3 pumps max, apply all over my hair except the scalp. When I want to just style it, or I just want to use it as a serum, that time I just use it normally. I just apply on the except the scalp. I apply all over the hair and just leave. I just apply it all over the hair and just leave it. So when I'm using as a oil, I apply like for a treatment, like a night treatment, I apply like around 5 to 7 pumps. I use 5 to 7 pumps, and I apply all over the hair on my scalp and massage it well for 5 to 10 minutes, and then I just leave it like that and sleep off. And the other morning when I wake up, I feel my hair looks very soft and supple and very very easy to manage, and I then wash it off with normal water, with normal shampoo, whatever I use for my hair. So this is the way I use this particular oil serum. I really like this oil serum, and it has a very beautiful smell which stays for hours. It doesn't irritate my nose. I really like the smell, and I like this thing that's a unisex. Both men and women can use this, and you don't need too much of quantity for your hair. You just need 2 to 3 pumps depending on the length of your hair. So for my hair is like medium, so I need 2 to 3, max to max 3 pumps for my hair. So this is how my hair look after the application. I really like this serum, and I've been using this for a while. I really recommend this oil serum to everyone for all hair types, and I don't think you will regret buying. This is only for 499, which is not a big money. It's like 400 or 499 is like 500 bucks, which is not a big money, I guess. And for me, I really love this hair serum, and I really recommend this hair serum to all hair types. And if you buy one bottle, it's gonna last you for 5 to 6 months, and depending on how much you use. For me, this is my second bottle, and you can see it's been 2 weeks I've been using. I've just finished this much, and I really like this oil. I don't need to apply other hair products like hairspray or. So I'll just show you the consistency and the color of the hair. You just have to take 1 or 2 pumps of the product and apply all of your hair. The color of the hair serum is almost transparent. You can see it's transparent, and it is a beautiful smell, and it really makes my hair soft and supple. I'll just show you how I apply it. I apply all over my hair like this. It has a very beautiful smell. I just apply all over my hair, and I really like the overall. After the application, I feel my hair is so soft and smooth, and it's very manageable actually, because my hair is colored and it becomes too dry and frizzy sometimes, and I don't like combing my hair too much, because whenever I comb I break a lot of hair, so I don't like to comb too much. So when I apply this hair serum, I don't have to struggle, brushing my hair. It becomes really easy for me to, to be very honest, very easy for me to, brush my hair, and it's very easy to manage. And whenever I touch my hair, I feel very like I feel my hair is so soft and smooth, and I really feel my hair is shining after the application. I really like. So after the application, I really feel my hair becomes really soft and, smooth and manageable, and it's very easy to brush my hair, because usually when I don't apply any kind of hair serum or oil, it's very difficult for me to brush my hair, because my hair become very dry and frizzy, and because I have colored hair, so my hair become very dry, and when I don't wash my hair for a day or two, my hair become very frizzy and, very dry. So what I do is, when I feel my hair is looking frizzy and dry, I just take few pumps, apply all over again on my hair, and I'm good to go. I really feel this product is worth a try, because it really makes my hair very manageable and soft, and it's very easy to comb, and I don't find it difficult to comb my hair. And moreover, apart from that thing, I really love how my hair feel after the application. It makes my hair soft and smooth. Also, I feel it gives my hair pretty much of shine. And yeah, and what else you want for your hair, right? One more thing I wanted to talk about this oil serum is that if you're using as a normal hair serum, you don't need more than 2 to 3 pumps, and depending on the hair length. So for me my hair is like medium, so I need 2 to 3 pumps max, and I don't apply on my scalp. So remember guys, if you're using this as a hair serum, never ever apply a hair serum on your scalp, because if you apply the hair serum on your scalp, it will make your hair look greasy and oily. So this is one of the tip I'm giving you guys for this oil. Also, this oil serum also, don't forget that this is an oil serum, so it might make your hair oily and greasy. So if you're using as a normal hair serum, like a styling product, before blow drying your hair, and after after washing your hair, you just want to apply something to protect your hair from the blow drying, and after blow drying your hair, you just want to use as a serum, then that time just apply 2 to 3 drops max, depending on your hair length, and apply only on your hair, not on your scalp. And when you're using this oil serum as oil, especially for night treatment, or using as a massaging oil on your hair, use it on your scalp, massage it well, and that time you will see your hair looks pretty oily and greasy. So don't get surprised if you apply too much of the quantity and you think, oh, my hair is looking so oily. Then that is what I'm trying to clear it off, that if you're using as a serum, don't apply on your hair, on your scalp, just apply on your hair and leave it. And if you're using as a massaging oil and as a night treatment, then you can apply on your hair, and that time it will definitely make your hair will look oily and greasy. So that's the only thing I wanted to clear it off. So yeah, so I really like this oil serum, and definitely recommend this oil serum to everyone. Both men and women can use this. It's for all hair types, oily scalp, dry scalp, sensitive scalp, and for colored hair, everyone can try this hair oil serum. And it's only for 499 rupees, and you get around 100 ml quantity, which is really a good deal according to me. And only drawback I feel is the packaging. It comes in a glass bottle. That's fine with me, because I really like the product. And if you really want to carry this product, you can carry it in your handbag properly, or in case you don't want to take a chance if it breaks or something, so just take 10 to 20 pumps according to you, how much you want to take it while traveling. I usually take 10 to 20 pumps in a small plastic bottle and carry with me, and whenever I feel my hair needs that shine, that smoothness, and I want to manage my hair properly without making it look dry and frizzy, and comb my hair properly, that time I apply this particular product while I'm traveling. So yeah, overall a very beautiful serum. I really recommend this to everyone, and I hope you like the video. If you like the video, don't forget to give a like and share with your friend and family. I'll see you guys soon. Till then, take care. Bye.